Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share detail about Omni Trading Academy live with Oscar. In this video, we will also share Omni Trading token that is also available. You can easily get in this video. I am going to share each and everything. First, you need to understand what is this project about because in this Omni Online Trading Academy, you can find the best experienced person. Here is also the official profile for the Oscar Carboni on Twitter because this person has a great experience of 44 year in the technical as analyst trader, and you can also join the thriving Omnic community that is free live trading chat room where you will also get the live trading sheer experience and market reward and not emotion. So you have to understand what these worthable value of wording this person is share with you. And in this project, we are also going to warm welcome to all of you are watching this video to join Omni Online Trading Academy that has led by professional dear Oscar Carboni. And you can also check their efforts making you able to get financial freedom, and here you can also check what the services they are going to providing to you. Actually, you are going to get here the experienced trainer with 24/7 their spot and flash update about the market. Suppose if you get here platinum membership and Omni trading recommendation, you will get via pop-up, SMS, text and email. You can also get live trading room. There, like this is a live trading chat room with Oscar, with the host of Trader 2. So you will also get the thoughts and an experienced and professional trader is here. Oscar Carboni with 44 year plus experience. So here is the short list of some other qualification. In this academy you will find 1400 professional trained. There is also 35-year plus experience, 10 plus media channel and 100 plus professionalism. So in this way you can get your membership now. Platinum or professional. Even you can also get benefit you. People already shared their thoughts, what they have already experienced. And now they are the next good member. And they are also doing effort too. So in this way you can also read articles. In this video you will check out about their open token too. Like this is Omni on Solana, and you can check out the latest price and market cap $5.2 million, and its journey is also always going to be boom. You can also check this token is available on DEX screener and live with Oscar. If you want to get their token, you can create account. For that you can put your first name, last name, your email, phone number and your unique username, and after that you can put your password of 6 digit, accept the terms and condition, and you can verify your email, and after click on the sign up your account will be created. Once your account will be created, then you can also check like this interface of your own profile where you can also check their chat live with Oscar. Here you can click on it, and then this is the interface where you can also see the number of users, the room who are active. If you want to see the room list, that will be shared here. Once you have to open your platinum, you can also get the token Omni Trading token on Pump Fund as well. This is listing with the previous streams, and there you can also check what they have found like Sunday afternoon market about you, and you can also watch this video. There is crypto, Ethereum, and like 14 March, there 13 March, and so on. You can see the previous stream also. So here you can also check out the chart analysis. that is going to show you progress. You can also get here. So this is also available. You can also use the Solana currency if you want to get their token. There is Omni trading token, and you can also find further information on their official Omni boot camp that is also here. The next Omni trading boot camp starting in just 46 days later. And you can also check the market update with the reserve and how you will be in. You can also check the Omni trading boot camp is designed for no voice analyst trader, future analyst, ETF analyst, and much more. You can find in this ecosystem. Oscar has been featured on. There you can read about the Oscar, their experience. This is also live trading academy, and you can also get the profitable setup for short. So there you can also see if you are interested, you can easily join them. Link in my video description has been given, so you can share your thoughts too. Because if you are going to qualify your application, when you are going to submit, you can read and then you will be a part of it. So in this way, this is going to helping you out Omni trading with live Oscar, where massive community is going to increasing day by day. In every day there is also reward going to be given you, so be ready to join. I have shown you this is Oscar Carboni, the chart whisperer, and who is going to giving you update. If you join their platinum or diamond plan, then you will also get all the pop-up notification and update through email or their pop-ups. So you can also read about this person who have great experience now, and you can also follow them on their all profile, social media links, and their official channel, Oscar Carboni's Omni Trading Academy, where you will get all the update related to the market. And here you can check out successfully how much they have shared the experience. Here is also 3 days ago there was a video, and there you can also check many other live you want to see how many lives. Then there are also all the detail that you have to see their watch list and a playlist I am going to share to you. So see how to get profit with trading and using Omni trading. Actually, you can also be a part of it, and you can also get these membership as well. So read about this platform. If you want to be in, you can also join them. See you next video. Till then, take care and share your thoughts.